Hi, welcome to Meek Electronics.
If you're enjoying the content and want to keep learning with Meek Electronics, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Ever picked up a gadget and noticed it's puffed up like a pillow? That's not just wear and tear. That's your battery crying for help. Today, I'm going to open this swollen power bank, show you exactly what's going on inside, and explain the science behind why batteries swell and why it's more dangerous than you might think. This is the PIFCO 20,000 milliamp hour power bank. On the outside, it looks like a regular backup charger, until it doesn't. Mine swelled so badly that the case started to split apart. The metal cell inside has expanded, and this is a clear sign the chemistry inside has broken down. So, why does this happen? Lithium-ion batteries, like the 18650 or polymer pouch cells, store energy using layers of lithium-coated material and a liquid electrolyte. When they're new, ions move back and forth between the anode and cathode during charge and discharge. But over time, or if damaged, that chemistry starts to fail. Swelling is caused by gas buildup inside the cell. Here's what can trigger it. Overcharging pushes more lithium than the anode can safely store, causing reactions that release gas. Overheating. Heat speeds up the breakdown of the electrolyte into gases like CO2, CO, and methane. Aging. Every charge cycle causes microscopic damage, forming dendrites that can pierce the separator and trigger chemical reactions. Physical damage, bending, puncturing, or crushing a cell can cause immediate swelling or even short-circuit fires. A swollen battery isn't just ugly, it's a ticking hazard. The steel or polymer casing is under pressure. If that casing ruptures, the flammable electrolyte can leak or ignite. In worst cases, thermal runaway can occur. That's when the battery self-heats to the point where it can catch fire or explode. Never try to pierce or flatten a swollen cell. You're essentially playing with a pressurized chemical bomb. If you notice a battery swelling, stop using it immediately. Don't charge it. Don't puncture it. Don't score it somewhere cool and fire safe. Take it to a certified battery recycling point. And remember, swollen batteries can still hold a charge, so treat them like they could short at any moment. You can reduce the risk by take the charger recommended by the manufacturer, avoiding full charges or deep discharges when possible, keeping devices out of hot cars or direct sunlight, storing batteries partially charged if you won't use them for months. This is my PIFCO 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. On the outside, it looks like a regular backup charger. But if you look closely, you can see the casing has started to bulge and split apart. That's not a design feature. That's pressure from inside. I decided to carefully open it up, not to remove the battery, but to see what's happening inside. Now, I can't stress this enough. Swollen batteries can be dangerous. The casing is under pressure, and the chemicals inside are flammable. You should only open something like this if you know what you're doing. And even then, keep it well away from anything that could spark or catch fire. Once inside, you can see the main circuit board here. This is the charging and protection circuitry. That's what controls how the battery charges, discharges, and prevents overcharging or short circuits. And here's the battery itself, a lithium-polymer pouch cell. You can see it's puffed up, much thicker than it should be. Inside that pouch, the electrolyte has broken down, creating gases like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Those gases have nowhere to go, so the flexible pouch inflates like a balloon. The key takeaway, once a battery swells, it's no longer safe to use. You can't fix it, you can't flatten it back down, and you definitely shouldn't puncture it. The only safe option is to stop using it immediately and take it to a certified battery recycling facility. And that's the end of today's video. I hope you've learned something new about battery swelling and, most importantly, how to stay safe around it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe.